Welcome back to Factful Finance, where we break down the secrets to building wealth and mastering your money. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind: how to make $500 a day while you sleep. Sounds like a pipe dream, right? But stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have a blueprint to make this a reality. Now, before we jump into the how, let's talk about the why. Imagine waking up to find your bank account a little fatter without having worked a single extra hour. Sounds like financial freedom, doesn't it? And the best part? It's not as out of reach as you might think. Let's break down the practical steps to earning $500 a day passively, using strategies backed by experts and real-world examples. But first, a quick disclaimer. This content is for educational purposes only. Mentioning any apps, products, or services is not an endorsement. Always consult a certified financial professional for personalized guidance. First, let's understand the foundation: passive income. Passive income is money you earn with minimal daily effort. Think dividends, rental income, or digital products that sell themselves. It's a game changer in wealth building, and it all starts with smart investments and the right mindset. Let's start with investing in dividend stocks. Historically, the stock market has delivered around 7 to 10% returns annually after inflation. If you're wondering, how do I turn that into $500 a day? Let's do the math. Let's say you want to make $500 a day, or $182,500 a year, from dividends. Assuming an average dividend yield of 4%, you'd need to invest about $4.56 million. Now, before you panic, let's be realistic. You don't need to start with that much. With the right strategy, reinvesting dividends, buying a mix of blue-chip stocks, and being patient, you can scale up over time. Take Liam's story, for example. He started investing in dividend-paying stocks at 25, putting aside $300 a month into a diversified portfolio. By age 40, his portfolio had grown significantly, and he was earning a steady stream of income from dividends. Today, he's raking in $500 a day passively without breaking a sweat. Next up, we have real estate investments. Owning rental properties is one of the most reliable ways to build passive income. You could either buy physical properties or invest through real estate investment trusts, REITs. REITs allow you to invest in real estate without owning the properties directly. They pay dividends and can generate substantial passive income with lower capital requirements. Consider Amelia, who started small by purchasing a duplex in her early 30s. She rented out one unit, covering her mortgage and generating passive income. Over the years, Amelia expanded her portfolio, and now she's earning enough to cover her living expenses and more, just from the property she's acquired. Another powerful option is creating digital products. Whether it's an ebook, an online course, or a membership site, digital products can continue to earn you money long after the initial work is done. This method requires upfront effort, but once your product is live, it can bring in money while you sleep. Think about it. Your product could be bought by people in different time zones, paying you 24/7. Take Noah's example. He wrote a comprehensive ebook on stock market investing and self-published it on Amazon. After some initial promotion, his sales started rolling in, allowing him to earn hundreds of dollars a day from a single digital product. And because the book doesn't require constant maintenance, he's free to focus on his next venture. Another strategy? Peer-to-peer lending, P2P. Through platforms like Lending Club or Prosper, you can lend money to individuals or small businesses and earn interest on your loans. The best part? You can start with a relatively small amount, and over time, your returns compound. P2P lending gives you a chance to be the bank, earning interest just like a financial institution would. Let's take Henry's situation. He started with just $2,000, lending it through a P2P platform. Over several years, he built a diversified portfolio of loans, earning him a solid return. Today, he earns enough through interest payments to hit his $500 a day goal without lifting a finger. Lastly, let's talk about affiliate marketing. By creating content, whether it's a blog, YouTube channel, or Instagram account, you can promote products and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. This is a great option for those with a large online following or who are willing to build an audience. Olivia, for instance, turned her travel blog into an affiliate marketing goldmine. After partnering with travel gear companies and tour operators, she started earning thousands a month, even when she wasn't posting new content. Through consistent effort and strategic partnerships, Olivia made affiliate marketing a key passive income stream. Now, you might be wondering, but how long will this take? The truth is, building sustainable passive income takes time, effort, and patience. No one becomes a millionaire overnight, but with the right strategies, you can absolutely work towards earning $500 a day while you sleep. So, what's the common thread in all these strategies? It's that the key to making money while you sleep is initial hard work, whether it's through investing, creating, or building a system that works for you. But once that foundation is set, the money can keep flowing, even when you're not actively working. Which tip resonated most with you? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Want to take your finances to the next level? Hit that subscribe button, and let's keep this financial journey going. And remember, if you found this helpful, you'll love what's coming next. Click the video on screen to continue your journey toward financial independence.